In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a DistroKid account. First, navigate to the official website of DistroKid. Click on register. Now from here, you can easily sign up for your account. All you have to do is type in the email address, generate the password, confirm the password, and click on sign up. Or also you can use the Google or Apple ID instead. All you have to do is click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. And just with that, you will be signed up for DistroKid. Then you'll need to choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs, whether it's a single artist or multiple artists. Then add your payment details to complete your purchase. After signing up, check your email and check the verification link if prompted to activate your account. Once your account is verified, you can log into your DistroKid dashboard and start uploading your music to streaming platforms. That's it. This way you can easily create a DistroKid account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.